important to understand how it means to be pilgrims of hope. The first one is to journey. When you talk about pilgrims of hope, the Holy Father pinpoints and starts off with our own biblical roots. In the Old Testament, we know the story of the Israelites. They were a pilgrim people. At alam natin yung Exodus nila, lumago sila, pumunta sila sa Egypt. When they were in Egypt, they became slaves. Even though they were held captive, they still grew in number. But what happened was, in the end, that captivity led them to freedom. The Holy Father, when he mentioned this image of the journey, tells us that what happened to the Israelite people is also our journey. It is the journey of many people all over the world. It is also our journey. In our own spiritual journey, as Christian, Catholic Christian, this is really a moment when we can reflect on whether we have been dormant Catholics, we have become static. That's why the movement is from indifference to compassion. We examine ourselves. Kasi alam natin, pwede naman tayo nasa self-centeredness, nasa self-absorption. Pero sabi ni Pope Francis, hindi pwede. The movement should be outward. And when we go outward, we become other-centered and God-centered.